Violent tornado.
It is getting rain wrapped like none other, though.
Violent tornado. Oh shit. Little dip. Little dip. Little dip. Oh my god, that thing is awesome. I'm trying to figure out how far this road fucking goes.
It's gonna dump out on Highway 18 eventually.
Eventually?
Yes.
Good. Making sure no one's coming off these side roads.
Pretty damn sure, anyways.
Fucking A, look at that thing. Oh, it's rain wrapped now. Yep,
But
rain
it's
wrapped.
still there. It's
Yeah, oh yeah, it's
fuck,
there.
It's still there.
We gotta get up closer.